Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to upload transactions in NetSuite. As an example, I'll demonstrate how to upload a sales order transaction using a CSV import. In my sample CSV file, you'll notice that key fields are included. I've added the external ID field with 2 unique values, since I'll be uploading 2 separate sales orders in this batch. For the customer field, I'll be using their internal ID to ensure accurate mapping during the import process. I'll be following the same approach for the subsidiary, item, and location fields, using their respective internal IDs to ensure precise mapping and to avoid any ambiguity during the import process. Depending on your business needs, you can include other optional fields such as class, department, sales rep, or memo to further enrich your transaction data. To import the file, navigate to Setup, Import/Export, Import CSV Records. For this demo, I'll be using a previously saved mapping configuration to streamline the process and ensure consistent field alignment. Under Import Type, make sure it is set to Transactions. Under Record Type, select the specific transaction you're uploading, such as sales order, purchase order, vendor bill, etc., depending on your data. Next, upload the CSV file you created earlier by clicking the Select button and browsing to its location on your device. Since we're adding new transactions, make sure to select the option Add. This tells NetSuite to create new records rather than update existing ones. Next, map the fields from your CSV file to their corresponding NetSuite fields. Pay special attention to the reference type. Make sure it's set to internal ID for fields like customer, subsidiary, item, and location. Since we're using their internal IDs in the CSV, this ensures accurate record matching and avoids any import errors. After mapping the fields, enter a name for your import map in the Import Map Name field. This allows you to save the mapping configuration for future imports, saving time and ensuring consistency. Once the import is submitted, click the Import Job Status link to monitor the progress. This page will show whether the upload is still in progress, completed successfully, or if any errors occurred during the import. The transactions were uploaded successfully. Now, let's navigate to the sales order list to verify that the uploaded records reflect the correct data and review the newly added entries to ensure all details, such as customer, items, quantities, and locations, have been imported accurately. Let's take a look at the 2 latest transactions to confirm the details. You can sort the sales order list by date or internal ID to easily locate the most recently imported records. After reviewing the transactions, both records reflect the accurate information as expected. All mapped fields, including customer, items, quantities, and locations, have been successfully imported. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.